Unveiling the Patterns. Usually eat. An English Collocation Deep Dive. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting segment of our Advanced Vocabulary Collocations series. Verb plus adverb collocations with frequency adverbs. Our focus for this session will be the often used, but rarely examined phrase, usually eat. We'll unpack its usage, nuances, and the context in which it's most commonly applied. So, get ready to chew on some new knowledge. First, let's break down our phrase. The verb, eat, is something we're all familiar with. It's what we do when we consume food. The adverb, usually, describes frequency, how often we do something. So, when we say, usually eat, we're describing a regular eating habit or preference. An example might be, I usually eat a sandwich for lunch. This sentence tells us that the speaker's typical choice for a lunchtime meal is a sandwich. Now, let's see how we can use usually eat in various contexts. Remember, context plays a vital role in making our language sound natural and understandable. 1. Time-bound eating habits. I usually eat a big breakfast to kickstart my day. 2. Cultural or personal food preferences. In my home country, we usually eat rice for dinner. 3. Dietary choices or restrictions. I'm vegan, so I usually eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Experiment with your own sentences, using the context of your personal eating habits or those of someone you know. It's also worth exploring how we can vary the use of usually eat. Remember, English is a flexible language, and we can often express the same idea in multiple ways. 1. Adding specific details. I usually eat at 8 o'clock in the evening. 2. Adding a negative form. I don't usually eat meat. 3. Using it in questions. What do you usually eat for breakfast? These variations make your English more dynamic, engaging, and natural sounding. That brings us to the end of our exploration of the phrase, usually eat. It's incredible how much richness and depth there is in even the most everyday phrases in English. We hope that this video has added a new layer of understanding to your English learning journey. Remember to practice using usually eat in your daily conversations. And as always, stay curious and keep exploring the wonderful world of English. See you next time.